What's up everybody, it's Justin. Welcome back to Off the Line. Today we're going to be making juicy Lucifers. So it's a version of a stuffed burger. We're going to be taking some 85-15 really nice beef, stuffing it with some pepperjack cheese. We're going to make a Cajun aioli. As you can see, we've got some bacon cooking here. We're going to make a jalapeno bacon onion jam. We're going to put it all together on some kaiser rolls. It's going to be delicious. So pretty much everything that we're making today is gonna have a little bit of kick. This bacon jam is gonna have the jalapenos. Everything's gonna be seasoned with this Tbsp Thunderdust, which is delicious. We started here with a ½ pound of nice thick cut bacon that we've diced up, and this has been cooking over medium heat for about 12 minutes so far. It's probably gonna take about 20. But to that, we're gonna add some diced up jalapeno, a diced onion, apple cider vinegar, and this Thunderdust. So now that you've got your onions sliced and your jalapeno diced, your bacon is looking nice and crispy in there. We're gonna add the jalapeno and onion to this bacon and start to cook it down. So to this jam, we're also gonna add about a tablespoon of Thunderdust. And then once these onions and jalapenos start to cook down a little bit, we're gonna hit this with some apple cider vinegar, some brown sugar, and let it go for another 10 to 15 minutes until everything's nice and brown and sweet and caramely. So we're gonna be making 3 burgers total today. We have 1 pound of meat, and if you can see, I kind of made it into 6 little sections. 3 burgers total, 1 top patty, 1 bottom patty, and then we're gonna press them together with this nice pepperjack cheese in the middle. We're just gonna make this into 6 little sections. All right, so we've got these nice thin patties made. We're gonna season it all over. This is actually gonna be the middle. Gonna go patty, cheese, season, 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 patty, and then we're just gonna form these together here. And then we'll go ahead and season the outside when we put it on this nice hot cast iron. We're gonna take about 1/8 of a cup of brown sugar and add it to this jam, as well as just a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now we're gonna let this go for about 10 more minutes and we will be ready to go. We've got our bacon jam going, just about done. Now we're gonna cook our burger patties, take them off, let them rest so the cheese doesn't run out, and then we'll go ahead and build our Cajun Creole Aioli. Oh, that's the sound that you want. Now these, remember the meat on this is actually pretty thin, so we're only gonna cook these for a couple minutes per side. So our burgers here are just about ready. We're gonna whip up a quick aioli. It's just gonna be mayo, some stone ground mustard, garlic, lemon, chives, and of course Thunderdust. Hit about a ½ cup of mayo. A couple tablespoons of nice stone ground mustard. Squeeze a lemon. This is a little baby lemon, so I'm probably gonna put all of the juice in. If you got a big lemon, just use half. Minced up garlic, chive, Thunderdust. And that is gonna be Creole Aioli. So we're ready to pull our burgers off now. You can just see this little speck of cheese coming through. That means the cheese is melted and you are ready to go. Now, right on that skillet, we're gonna put our buns down to toast up. I see our bacon jam is all cooked down and just almost ready to go. All right, so we've got our buns here nice and toasted. All right, we're gonna put a nice fatty dollop of that aioli down. Your burger. A nice healthy portion of this jam. Ooh. A little more sauce on the top there. And that, my friends, is a juicy Lucifer. Now here comes the moment of truth. If you've let these burgers rest, all that cheese should not come running out. Oh yeah. All right, all that's left to do is try this guy. Oh, jeez. That's a good burger. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.